guys. Let's go kill the day. Anyway, 4 Grab ride have cancelled me. If it was the other way around, I would be paying a shit ton of money. I mean, not a shit ton of money. I'll be paying money for stupid stuff. Here we go. Behind the scenes.
Maybe one more here.
Where? Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Alright.
Very nice. Okay, nice. Very nice.
We use sweet chicken instead.
Too healthy, bro. I like that.
No,
I like that.
no, I've been trying to eat healthy also now, but
We don't eat too healthy
Salad.
stuff.
I eat chicken Caesar.
Damn. Sounds angry.
Depending on how
Alright,
long
right.
you want your shot to be.
Maybe like this, like jammer. Like that.
Which one? Jammer. Get it lah.
Okay. All that. Swimming.
Sure. Just get whatever you want.
So a quick stop at Decathlon because we forgot to bring our shorts and some gym attire for the next shoot. So currently we are at Singapore Recreational Club and we're just here to showcase their facilities and what they do here through marketing and videography and photography. Mahjong. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Right.
No, but how do they know that? Like, okay, so how does it? How does it? Quite interesting, right?
Wait, maybe.
This one table is not cheap, sir.
Yep.
Okay, try again. I want to take that. I want to take that. Hardly.
I ran around here before. Oh,
Oh, you
really?
like Pokemon cards?
Yeah.
Damn.
My younger brother also.
Okay, we
Then he
are
say one can sell don't know how many
we
thousand.
are
Yeah. Some of
here
them are very
at
expensive.
Marcus' room and just looking around at his stuff. Hey, nice. Wow. Hey, this is. Oh, I thought this is the other one.
You can see, like, I think this layer is all of them in it, I think.
What the hell?
Yeah, but we didn't even know. We only when we knew each other then we were they call it MOC. MOC means it's not an official set.
Oh.
But
Man, huge Lego collection.
Downstairs, we go downstairs.
Ouch.
Yeah. Real meat making.
No, I'm not good at coffee making.
yeah.
I'm only good at coffee drinking.
You want what? Just latte.
Just a latte.
With the syrup.
No, you can. This mirror is for what?
To see the shot.
Whoa. 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 Damn. Improve, bro. Damn. It is pretty nice.
Thanks, bro. Not a fluke, huh?
Yeah. Round 2.
Here's a fluke.
That looks like the Chinese, the water bottle, bro. Or a feather. OMG. So yeah, pretty much spend the whole day from 6:30 a.m. until 6:30 p.m. 3 shoots. We pretty much shoot like the whole month for each brand. So yeah, I think that's quite productive. There is still a lot of work to be done. We still need to go through every footages we took, and so mine alone, my camera alone, there's like 200 over footages plus the other 2 cameras. So yeah, we still have to go through all the footages, edit them, and get ready to post. So yeah, a lot of work to be done, but yeah, we're done for today. So one of the best things about Singapore, I think, is the food court. They are everywhere around, your HDB blocks, and yeah, it's just amazing, affordable and good food. Anyway, I just got the news from Marcus that the girl who was with us today, she was supposed to be our intern. She just quit. Yeah. Maybe we just took her on the busiest day, or maybe she have some other reasons, right? But yeah, I guess you won't be seeing her anymore, and that's okay. Okay, maybe I think I know why. Like, this is my personal opinion, because the company is still pretty new. We don't have like a proper SOP yet, or a proper way of doing it, but we're both coming up with a lot of ideas, impromptu, like on the spot, and yeah, just doing a lot of things. So because we don't want to disappoint the client, or we don't want to miss out anything, so usually we tend to do more than what we have planned out to do. So that's not really a good thing, because it takes a lot of your time, a lot of your effort, a lot of your energy, and it can be tiring, for someone new, and for someone who doesn't really have that, kind of passion, I would say. So yeah, it's all good. I mean, I think the person that will be blaming is us, not the person who quit or who didn't want to work with us. So yeah, it's all good. We will improve from here, and in the future people will want to join us without even us having to go out and approach them, hopefully. Okay, enough said. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner, even though I said affordable. I think this year in general, every time I go out and eat, I just feel like I'm not getting my money worth. This one chicken and this rice cost me $5.50. I mean, it's alright, but yeah, I just feel like it's not worth it. Anyway, it tastes good, so cheers. The curry is really nice. Anyway, I can't wait to try this nose strap or nozzle strap. Yeah, I just ordered them a few days ago and they're here. Hopefully when I can run. Anyway, these are the ones from therapy. Enhanced breathing within seconds. Alright, let's see what they can do. If I can run within the next few days, I'll be putting this on in Korea, and yeah, try it out. Okay, let me just open it up, see what it looks like. This is the 30-day supply, so I'm assuming there will be 30 pieces inside. Alright, what does it look like? Pretty cool. Smells really weird, but I don't know. It smells pretty weird, but yeah. I don't know if this works, but I just bought it just for the aesthetic, so I'm just putting it out there. Yeah, because I'm pretty sure my running would be the same without this. But yeah, if they say it enhances, who knows? Let's try it out. Alright, so I want to end off this vlog by saying that I am really thankful that I met my business partner Marcus, because I think he is very inspirational. I'm slowly starting to learn a lot about him, and I think he's a beast, right? And I used to think that I'm doing so many things and I'm like not managing it well, but I think he is doing a lot of things and at the same time managing it really well. So I'm really impressed. Yeah, like I said, we always see this motivational speaker, motivational content, motivational influencer online, but until you meet someone like him in, like for me at least, until I meet someone like him in person, and then I'll feel more like, oh wow, there's this guy doing this kind of stuff, and it makes me feel more motivated and inspired as well at the same time. So yeah, I think we're gonna be a great matchup, and there's a lot for us to do, and yeah, I am really happy that there's this guy who is willing to push me and bring me along with him. So yeah, just thankful for that. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys get some value out of this, because yeah, sharing this whole process and shooting from 6 or 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. is not an easy task. Hopefully I can stitch all these vlogs up into a really nice vlog and give some value to you guys. Anyway, that is it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.